An example of beauty and brains, lives in the deep seas, blue oceans and fresh river waters. So let's introduce you to our guest. They're famous for their grin and we call them the dolphin. Dolphins belong to the order cetaceans, just like the porpoise and the whales. And guess who could be their closest living relative on land? It's the hippopotamus. Generally divided into two categories, the extrovert oceanic or marine dolphins are about 40 species found in the seas and oceans worldwide. And they've got some shy yet friendly cousins called the river dolphins, with 5 extant species residing in rivers and estuaries. So how did dolphins earn the title Brainiacs of the Sea? Dolphins have large and complex brains with densely packed neurons which have evolved over millions of years. Interestingly, most dolphin species have a brain-to-body mass ratio which is only second to humans. But just how smart dolphins are might actually surprise you. These notorious cetaceans are super talented, with good mimicking skills, problem-solving ability and complex communication skills which they display through postures, gestures and sounds like squeaks and whistles. They have excellent learning ability, so when trained, dolphins can read 2-dimensional symbols as commands and perform actions accordingly. They show a good sense of empathy ranging from joy, grief to caring for the injured. Dolphins recognize and admire themselves in the mirror, revealing self-awareness. Their playfulness, nature and incredible acrobatic skills will leave you in awe. Fascinatingly, dolphins express altruism, and this has been evident on many occasions when dolphins have rescued humans from drowning and shark attacks. So now we know that some of the greatest minds on earth are not just humans alone. Regardless of where they live, oceans or rivers, the dolphins have to reach the surface of the water at different time intervals to breathe air into their lungs. Both oceanic and river dolphins possess a unique ability called biological sonar or echolocation, which basically is the ability to see by interpreting the echoes of sound waves underwater. Now this enables them to determine the distance, speed, direction of travel and even some basic facts about the internal structure of the objects around them. Also, the oceanic dolphins have a very sharp vision. They can move each eye independently, allowing them to have 2 fields of vision, which is likely to give them a 3D sight. With an excellent 2-field vision and echolocation, the oceanic dolphins enjoy a double privilege. However, the river dolphins, unlike their oceanic cousins, do not have a crystalline eyelids, causing it to be effectively blind, although they may be able to detect the intensity and direction of light. That's because their eyesight plays less of a role in the dark, shallow, murky waters that they live in. Which is why river dolphins mainly use echolocation to detect food and to navigate. One among the 5 species of the river dolphins is the Ganges river dolphin, Platanista gangetica, locally known as Susu. It belongs to the family Platanistidae, inhabiting parts of the Ganges, Meghna and Brahmaputra rivers in India, Nepal and Bangladesh. These long-snouted dolphins have a strong yet flexible body with broad flippers and low triangular dorsal fins. Here, the females are slightly bigger in size than the male dolphins. These dolphins also have a peculiar style of one-side swimming, which is unique to the species. So the side swimming and the flexible neck help them to reach the river bottoms for hidden prey. In 2009, the Government of India declared the Ganges river dolphin as the national aquatic animal. Despite the honor, the threat these dolphins are facing is beyond the pale. The population of the Ganges river dolphin has been falling drastically, mainly due to the river pollution caused by pesticides and industrial effluents, plus the construction of dams and irrigation projects. They also fall victim to the fishing industry when they accidentally get caught up in the nets. And most importantly, the indiscriminate killing of the river dolphins by fishermen is gut-wrenching. Researchers believe that if the dolphin population is thriving in a given body of fresh water, then this is an indication of the river's good health and biodiversity. If not, then it's a red flag for the whole ecosystem of the river. Sadly, the Gangetic river dolphins have been declared an endangered species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and fall under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Act 1972. For instance, in a recent census report, the Madhya Pradesh Forest Department has stated that in the past 4 years, there has been a 13% reduction of the Gangetic dolphins in the Chambal River. The Chambal River in the National Chambal Sanctuary extends up to 425 kilometers, and at present it has only 68 Gangetic dolphins left. Researchers believe that this is due to the illegal sand mining and overconsumption of water in these areas, which is taking a toll over the whole ecosystem of the river. However, WWF India, Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary, Aranyak NGO and other organizations have been working constantly to protect dolphins of India. A team of Japanese and Indian sonar engineers had built and deployed a custom-built sonar system that could track dolphins and help record their migration pattern, providing an estimate of their numbers and helping marine biologists learn more about the jet species. This innovative approach was led by Harumi Sugimatsu, an acoustic engineer from the University of Tokyo's Institute of Industrial Science, and Rajendra Bal from the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Similarly, there are various conservation works carried out across the country to protect this national aquatic animal. In India, besides the Ganges River dolphins, one could spot a variety of oceanic dolphins too. So it's best to travel along the Indian coastline if you want to have a glimpse of the oceanic dolphins like the striped dolphin, the Indian Ocean humpback dolphins, rough-toothed dolphins, spinner dolphins, the bottlenose dolphin and the common dolphin. Apart from how fascinating we find dolphins, there is so much to learn from these incredible social animals. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.